Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best fishing hooks kit is probably one of the most essential and often overlooked components in any angler's tackle box, directly impacting your success on the water, ensuring you're always prepared for whatever species you're targeting, from panfish to pike, with the right hook for every situation, making the difference between a memorable catch and a missed opportunity. Number 5. TOPFORT 187 Fishing Accessories Kit. This comprehensive kit provides nearly all the accessories you need for a successful fishing trip. It includes a wide variety of hooks, swivels, sinkers, and more, perfect for both seasoned anglers and beginners. Crafted from premium stainless steel, these accessories are designed for exceptional durability and strong corrosion resistance, even in saltwater. They undergo precision processing to ensure a longer service life than standard gear. The high-quality tackle box keeps everything neatly sorted in individual grids with translucent covers for easy identification. Its removable dividers let you customize compartments, ensuring your gear is always accessible. This palm-sized kit easily fits into your fishing box or backpack, making it incredibly portable. Its abundant accessories can be combined into various fishing rigs, adapting to any fishing scenario you encounter. Looking for the perfect present? This well-selected kit makes an excellent gift for any fishing enthusiast, from beginners to avid anglers. It's especially thoughtful for occasions like Father's Day or Christmas. What we like. This kit offers a vast array of fishing accessories, ensuring you have everything you need for any fishing scenario. Its premium anti-corrosion materials guarantee durability, while the compact, organized tackle box keeps all your gear neatly sorted and easily accessible. If you're a beginner looking for an all-in-one solution or an experienced angler who values organization and versatility, this comprehensive kit is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. PLUSINNO Fishing Lures Tackle Box Kit. Discover the ultimate fishing solution. This all-in-one kit provides 263 essential items, from hooks to sinkers, ensuring you're ready for any fishing condition. It helps you get your bait to the right depth and attract more fish. No more tangled lines or lost gear. Its large, organized tackle box keeps every accessory neatly in place. Each item has its own grid with a cover for easy identification and access. Crafted from high-quality, corrosion-resistant stainless steel, this kit is built for durability. These premium materials are chosen to attract more catches and provoke predator fish to strike. You can trust it to perform reliably, even in saltwater. Its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly easy to carry. Measuring just 7.9 by 5.5 by 0.8 inches, it fits perfectly into your fishing seat box or backpack. Enjoy fishing whenever and wherever you desire, without bulky equipment. This superior bass fishing kit is perfect for freshwater bass and trout. Its diverse range of accessories provides abrasion resistance and helps you reel in your catch with confidence. It's truly an ideal choice for various fishing scenarios. Looking for an unforgettable present? This kit is an ideal gift for men, fathers, and beginners alike. It's suitable for any occasion, offering endless hours of relaxation and excitement on the water. What we like. This all-in-one pack provides 263 essential items, making it suitable for diverse fishing conditions and species. Crafted from high-quality, corrosion-resistant stainless steel, it ensures durability and effectiveness in attracting fish. If you value portability and a complete set of gear that can handle various fishing environments, this compact and versatile kit is perfect for your adventures. What people say. Number 3. TCMBY 327 PCS Fishing Lures Tackle Bait Kit Set. This high-quality fishing kit is perfect for both beginners and experts. It comes with 327 pieces of essential gear, all neatly organized in a compact tackle box. You'll find everything you need to target various species, from bass to trout. Inside, you'll discover a comprehensive selection of lures and baits. From crankbaits and poppers to soft worms and spinner lures, it offers a versatile choice for any fishing enthusiast. This set ensures you're prepared for any fishing scenario. Its lifelike lures feature 3D eyes and realistic patterns, designed to attract even the smartest fish. Crafted from high-quality anti-corrosion stainless steel and durable plastic, these lures are built to last. They perform exceptionally well in both fresh and saltwater conditions. This compact set includes a double-layer tackle box for easy organization and access. Its portable size fits perfectly in your backpack or seat box. You can take it to your favorite fishing spot and enjoy fishing anytime, anywhere. This fishing lure set makes an ideal gift for any angler, suitable for both freshwater and saltwater. It's perfect for holidays like Father's Day or Christmas, offering a thoughtful present for beginners and experienced enthusiasts alike. They will appreciate its versatility and comprehensive selection. What we like. This kit stands out with its impressive variety of lifelike lures, including poppers, crankbaits, and soft worms, designed to attract even the smartest fish. Made from high-quality, anti-corrosion materials, these lures are built for performance in both freshwater and saltwater. If you are looking to maximize your chances with a wide range of realistic baits and appreciate a well-organized, double-layer tackle box, this set is an ideal choice for targeting various species. What people say. This kit includes a variety of hook sizes, suitable for different types of fish and fishing conditions. The hooks are made of high-carbon steel, providing excellent strength and corrosion resistance. Each hook features a sharp, barbed point for secure hookups and reduced fish escape. Number 2. UCEC Treble Fishing Hooks Kit. Introducing the UCEC Treble Fishing Hooks Kit, designed for both saltwater and freshwater anglers. These hooks are crafted to enhance your fishing experience, ensuring you're ready for any challenge. Experience the unique design of these hooks. They feature an extremely sharp, barbed point with a special bend, engineered for quick and secure snagging. This innovative design ensures a higher success rate. Made from 2x strong high-carbon steel with a black nickel coating, these hooks offer superior strength and corrosion resistance. Their sharp tips provide quick penetration, preventing fish from escaping. Whether you're targeting catfish in freshwater or trout in saltwater, these hooks are your ideal companion. Their robust construction makes them suitable for various fishing environments and hard baits. This kit is a perfect and reliable replacement for damaged hooks on your lures. It comes in a reusable plastic box, making it an excellent gift for both novice and experienced anglers. Each kit provides 50 sharp treble hooks in 5 essential sizes, number 2, number 4, number 6, number 8, and number 10. They are conveniently assorted in a durable, reusable ultra-hard plastic box for easy access and storage. What we like. This kit specializes in extremely sharp, barb-designed treble hooks, engineered for quick penetration and strong hold. Made from 2x strong high-carbon steel with a black nickel coating, they offer superior strength and corrosion resistance for challenging conditions. If you frequently target larger, more aggressive fish and need reliable, durable treble hooks that won't let you down, this specialized kit is an essential upgrade for your tackle. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no helpful points could be extracted for the fishing hooks kit. Number 1. UCEC EWG Offset Worm Hooks. Experience superior bait retention with these fishing hooks. Their innovative Z-lock shoulder bend firmly holds a variety of soft plastic baits in place, ensuring your presentation stays perfect. Crafted from 2x strong high-carbon steel, these hooks are built for durability. They feature chemically sharpened needle points for deep penetration, making them incredibly sturdy and reliable. The wide gap design allows for easy embedding of various worm sizes, ensuring a natural presentation. This design also significantly reduces the chance of fish throwing them once hooked. These versatile hooks are perfect for a wide range of soft plastic bait applications, from Texas rigs to Carolina rigs. You can confidently use them for both freshwater and saltwater fishing adventures. Each box provides a perfect assortment of different sizes, ensuring you have the right hook for any situation. They come conveniently organized in a reusable, portable plastic box for easy access. What we like. These EWG offset worm hooks feature a unique Z-lock shoulder bend, specifically designed to securely hold soft plastic baits in place. Crafted from 2x strong high-carbon steel with a wide gap design, they ensure deep penetration and reduce the chance of fish throwing the hook. If you primarily fish with soft plastic worms and need hooks that offer superior bait presentation, secure rigging, and high durability for bass and trout, this specialized assortment is your go-to. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source was empty. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.